Hello, in front of me I've got Elden Ring Nightreign. In this video I'll show you basic movement tutorial. In the beginning, let's start with attacks on the controller. For light attack, press R1 button. For strong attack, press R2. For block, press L1. For parry, press L2. For jump, press X. For roll dash, press circle. If you want to use flask, press square and press triangle for interaction. Now, to change weapons, press right arrow for right hand, left arrow for left hand. Press top arrow to use item and down arrow to change item. If you want to sprint, press left analog. To reset camera, press right analog, and to look on target, also press right analog. Now, let's take a look at the keyboard and mouse. If you want to sprint, press and hold left shift. Press shift once for dodge roll. Also press L left alt for sprint. Press C button to parry, and press right mouse button for block. Press left mouse button for light attack and left control plus left mouse button for strong attack. If you want to use flask, use 1 button. And if you want to use if you want to use item, press H button. And G button. Now, if you want to change right hand weapon, roll the mouse button upwards. And if you want to change left hand weapon, roll the mouse button downwards. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.